Chalon. So it's a recently designed new machine. It's a seated calf along with the tibia. It's a dual machine. It's having a various pin lock adjustment. With the help of a pin lock, you can adjust the knee height adjustment. Then with the help of a single lever, you can unlock the machine. Now it's a work of tibia. You can put it's a 2.5 kg plate. It's a customized plates. It's a dual machine. It's got very less space. Now you just see, it's a dual machine. It's a seated calf along with the tibia. One of the best machine